Is it time to buy or sell Tesla stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tesla. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Tesla as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.86. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.78% since we initially recommended purchasing Tesla 4 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.69% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock currently rests at the upper part of a very wide and falling trend in the short term. This situation often presents a promising selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $341.69 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately -7% over the next 3 months, with a predicted return between -24.85% and -3.62%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 14.15%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -15.63% and 80.44% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $278.12 and $594.83. Our latest daily update for Tesla includes the headline, Tesla stock price up 2.29% on Friday. The Tesla stock price gained 2.29% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 8th of August, 2025, rising from $322.27 to $329.65. It has now experienced gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.35%, with a low of $320.98 and a high of $334.95. Over this period, the price has seen ups and downs, resulting in a 4.3% gain over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 25 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 91 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $29.87 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $488.54, while the lowest was $194.67. Currently, the price is 32.52%, or $158.89, below the 52-week high of $488.54, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Tesla's stock has experienced several critical developments today, which could significantly impact its price in both the short and long term. A class action lawsuit has been announced against Tesla, targeting investors who incurred substantial losses between the 19th of April, 2023 and the 22nd of June, 2025. Such legal proceedings typically raise concerns about the company's governance and can lead to increased volatility in stock prices, particularly in the short term as investors react to the uncertainty surrounding potential financial implications. On the operational front, Tesla has disbanded its Dojo supercomputer team, a decision that raises questions about the company's artificial intelligence ambitions. Losing key personnel and resources may affect Tesla's planned advancements in driverless technologies, potentially giving rivals an advantage. This shift in strategy could negatively affect investor sentiment and lead to a bearish outlook in the short term. Conversely, Tesla also secured a permit to operate its Robotaxi service in Texas. a significant move that could enhance its revenue streams and market presence in the burgeoning ride-hailing sector. This regulatory approval could support a more positive long-term outlook, as successful integration of the Robotaxi service may attract investment and boost Tesla's stock. As competitors loom large, particularly in the rapidly evolving Chinese electric vehicle market, investors are encouraged to monitor these developments closely. The balance of positive and negative news creates a volatile landscape for Tesla's stock, emphasizing the need for investors to tread carefully as the company navigates these challenges and opportunities. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of August 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned TSLA an outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned TSLA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Sunday, the 27th of July, 2025, it was reported that Daiwa assigned TSLA a neutral rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned TSLA an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned TSLA a positive rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Tesla stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Tesla. The Tesla stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of a downturn, there will be some support from the levels at $314.39 and $317.94. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 7th of July, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 12.15%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have been noted as well, which may influence the near-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 125 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $305.30 and $295.14. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level could lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In Tesla's case, support is positioned just below today's level at $305.30. If this level is breached, the next support level from accumulated volume will be at $295.14 and $284.70. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $13.97 between its high and low, which accounts for 4.35%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 3.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Tesla, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies, or those with huge market potential, to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for Q3 2025 is expected on October 22, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.470. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tesla. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tesla is at $334.07. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Tesla encounters its first support level at $305.30. If this support level holds, it may present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tesla from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On August 3, 2025, Elon Musk conducted an insider purchase of 96 million shares of common stock. On July 11, 2025, James R. Murdoch conducted an insider purchase of 90,000 shares of common stock. On July 11, 2025, James R. Murdoch also conducted an insider sale of 90,000 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is the right to buy. On July 7, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. On July 8, 2025, Vaibhav Taneja conducted another insider sale of 2,000 shares of non-qualified stock options. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 94.6. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 97,101,482 shares and sold 2,567,721 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $313.14. Reflecting a decrease of 5.01%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom that was identified 24 days ago. Is Tesla stock a good buy? Tesla presents several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to deem it a buying opportunity. At its current level, we suggest it be viewed as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation in this position while awaiting further developments. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of August, we anticipate Tesla will open lower by $1.12, starting at $328.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.